Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a Corolla 2010. So today we're replacing the crankshaft position sensor. So it's that sensor is this black harness over here where my hand is, this part over here. So there's two, there's this one on top and there's this one at the bottom. So this is the crankshaft position sensor. So this is what we'll need to pull out, and then there's a bolt on top of it on the inside that you need to unbolt, and that's how you're going to be able to have it out. The only other way to do it is by taking off the wheel, so that might be easier for some people, but if you can't, this is the only other way that you can do it. So I have the camera all the way inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to access the harness from the back. So the bolt is right on top of it. So you just press the harness just below it. Just press it, pull it out. What you need to do next is unbolt it. So get your 10mm. We have the bolt out. All we need to do is just pull the sensor. I think we'll need to use a flat screwdriver to be able to get it out. So here's the sensor. I had to get gloves so I can be able to pull it out. So this is the top part. Since you can't be able to see it from the front of the engine, this is the only way you can be able to get it out. So this is the old one. We set it aside. We get the new one. Here we go. That's the old one. This is the new one. And then we put it back. I hope it's going to be easier putting it back. It's a real struggle if you don't take the wheel out. We need some oil, a little bit of oil on the sensor. So we're just going to put it inside. And then we get the bolt. Grab your electrical connector, which is this one over here, and then just put it back inside until you hear that click sound, and you know you're good. So with that, no more idling. So the crankshaft position sensor is one of the reasons why you have your engine running weirdly when it's idle at a traffic stop, you know, when you turn it on after turning it off some minutes after. So you can get it. It comes together as a package with the camshaft position sensor. So if you haven't watched that video, check it out. The link is going to be in the description. Easy replacement. The crankshaft is the hardest. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Check the Amazon links for every sensor done, linked in the description. Watch the other videos, and as always, see you on the next one. Ciao.